everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a crucial vocabulary word that can significantly boost your IELTS score. That word is mitigate. Mitigate, what does that mean? Mitigate means to make something less severe, serious or painful, which also means to reduce. Okay? It's a versatile word you can use in various contexts, which is why it is so important for the IELTS exam. So remember, you can use alleviate, lessen, diminish or reduce instead of mitigate. These synonyms will help you vary your language and sound more fluent, right? So these are the synonyms, note it down. Knowing these can help you vary your language in the speaking and writing sections. Now let's look at some context where you can use the word mitigate. In environmental contexts, you might say governments need to implement policies to mitigate the effects of climate change. This means that governments should take action to reduce the negative impacts of climate change. To mitigate the adverse effects of urbanization, cities are investing in green infrastructure. So that's mitigate for you. Make sure to practice using this word in different contexts to get comfortable with it. For more vocabulary tips and IELTS strategies, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching and good luck with your IELTS preparation.